Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute. As you can see today, I'm not making a high video. I am going to make one more video on high, just to explain what on earth has been going on. But for now, just leave the platform. I've never seen anyone destroy their business as bad as they have done, and they just don't care. You know, they've gone from our mission is to make money for you, not from you, and they have completely thrown that out the window. They are tanking their own coin. And it's just become a money grab for them. They're just trying to get as much money as they can before their token's worth nothing. So for the past few months, I've just been back to using the good old crypto.com card. Tried and tested. You know, it's only 3%, but you know the token's not losing 10% every day in value. So anyway, moving on with this video. As you can see from the screen, I've been saving up my diamonds. I've got 1,500 now. Usually I would save these up and buy an NFT, but there aren't any NFTs in the store right now. There's a few football things which I really don't care about, and since the price of CRO is in the toilet right now at around 4 pence, I'm hoping that if we open up some boxes, the CRO I'm going to get will hopefully be worth something a bit more down the line. So I've opened a bunch of boxes in the past, and they were pretty terrible. You know, I was getting like 0.7 for the bronzes, 3.6. Then prior to that I was getting a 0.2, 0.6, 0.6 for a silver. I'm hoping we're going to get some bigger values, and with 60 boxes, let's hope we at least get one gold. I mean, if we can hit a platinum, even better. I've heard they're giving around about 17,000 crore right now, which would be nice. So anyway, let's crack on and get some of these boxes opened. And here's the first. Silver box. And 9.9, so that is already like way bigger than anyone I've ever had before. You know, I'd opened up 10 boxes to get that kind of thing. Alright, there's one. So I'll add up all these at the end. I'll maybe make like a spreadsheet to work out what they're all, the averages and whatnot. Oh, another box gone. Bronze. Let's give us 2.4. So even the bronzes are now giving a lot more than what the old silver ones were. And silver box 7.6. So 9.9 is still the best. Let's see if we can break two digits. Silver again. 9. Silver again, so we're getting pretty lucky on the silvers at least. Another 9. So that's what, 100 diamonds spent so far. Another silver. 7.8. Man, that's low for a silver, but a lot more than we used to get. Another silver. 8.2. Oh no, don't withdraw. So we're up to 53. So far. Another silver. So it seems the bronzes are quite rare at least. What's this tell me to withdraw? I think I'm double clicking. Redeem. Oh, bronze. Rubbish. 1.8. That's kind of annoying. That's gonna tell me to withdraw each time. Redeem. Another silver. 9.5, decent. Right, let me just go off this. See if start. Alright, come on, give me a gold. Nope, silver. 9.2, not bad. Okay, at least it's not telling us to withdraw each time now. So, silver. I really want a gold one. My friend had a gold and he only gets the one diamond a day. So I've opened far more than he will ever get. Still just on the silvers. 8.2. Another silver. Another 9. Come on, gold. Bronze, thank you. 1.8. Another silver. 9.5. So 9.9 still our biggest. A bronze. Ugh. Rubbish. 2.4. Come on, give me gold. Silver. 9.2. So I am curious to see what the chances of a gold actually are. Bronze. 1.8. Is that our lowest? I mean, it's a lot better than 0.2 that we used to get. Another bronze. Maybe our luck's running out. Ah, crap. Don't want to withdraw yet. Start. Come on, silver. 7.8. We're definitely going down. Let's go back. I think if I double click, I get that weird issue where it tries to withdraw each time. Redeem. So I've opened 1/3 of the boxes so far now. That's what, 20-ish? So we're at less than 5% chance of a gold. 9.9. Again, that's the highest we've had so far. And the silver. 8.4. Come on, just one gold. That's all that's for. Or a platinum. A platinum would be nice. 9.2. Another silver. 9.4. At least we're in the 9s now. Silver. Silver. 9.5. Come on, give me gold, give me gold, give me gold, give me gold, give me gold. Bronze. Maybe I need to stop saying give me gold. It seems to punish me. Another silver. How many are we down? 8. So this next one gives us halfway, so this is our 30th box. 30 boxes. A lot of silvers. A couple of bronze. No gold. A 9.9. The bronze, you know, it took about a year to save all these up, so silver. Come on, one gold. That's all I want. That's all I want. I just really know what I want to give. 9.7. Come on, silver again. 7.8. Low for a silver. Another silver. 9.7. Come on. Need some luck. Nope. 9.7. Alright, 6, 12, 18. We've got 18 more boxes to go. Silver again. 9.9. Still not breaking those double digits. Bronze. Lame. 2.2. Come on. It's not looking promising, is it? 7.4. And we got 20. 7.2. Getting worse. Alright, 500 diamonds to go. No, so that's 20 more boxes. I think my maths was off last time I said it. Alright, come on. Lots more chances. Just one gold. One gold. All I want. I mean, it's not all I want, but I'll take a gold. Just so we can prove that they do exist and they aren't as rare as people say. Silver. 8.3. This is pretty rough. Bronze. 2. 1. Silver. 9.1. Silver. Come on. Getting worse. Getting lows. Right, well, 12 more boxes. 11. Alright, got 10 more boxes after this. We've opened 50. Not out of gold. Silver again, 9 more boxes. 8 crow. 8 more boxes. Bronze. Come on. Give me gold, please. And silver. Oh, 10.1, we broke 2 digits. That's our highest so far. Another silver. 8.3. Another silver. 7.2. Alright, we've got 5 more boxes. We're still out of gold. 4 more boxes. 7. We're getting lower. Another silver. 8. Alright, 3 more boxes. Come on. Give me some big luck. 2 more boxes. 9.7, not bad. 1 more. Alright, we got 1 more box. Dun dun dun. And it is silver. 60 boxes, not 1 gold. That's annoying. 10.1. We got a good amount for the last one for a silver box at least. Alright. And how many? We got 446 crow for 60 mystery boxes. Which is what? At 4p? £16. So, I mean, it's better than that. It was free. Kinda. I mean, they take 3% on some of the fees when you're, depositing money originally, so. But yeah, I mean, it's something. Alright, I'll add all this up, I'll do some averages, and then I'll show you a spreadsheet that we'll make. Alright, so here's my fancy little spreadsheet. As you can see, the current value of crow is 4.13 pence. So that gives us 82% chance at silver and 18% chance at bronze. 0% chance at gold or platinum. Now, I'm sure if we opened up 1,000 boxes, we'd probably get, maybe 1 gold at least. No idea what the rates are for those, but I know a small sample of 60, doesn't look good. Average crow for the bronze boxes was 2.05 and 8.64 for silver. The minimum amount we got from our bronze boxes was 1.8, the lowest we got from silver was 7, and the max we got from our bronze was 2.4, with the max at 10.1. So looking at those in fiat pounds, obviously if you're in dollars it's going to be a bit different. We got a grand total of £18.43, with an average of 31 pence per box. Minimum box was 7 pence, maximum box was 42 pence. So quite a big range. This was pretty fun to do, if not frustrating. So I'll probably save up more boxes, and maybe we can do this again in like a year's time if I manage to save up enough. It'd be cool to go for 100 boxes. That would be 2,500 diamonds though. So to get that, obviously you get 1 a day for free. If you want to get more than that, you've got to trade in the app, not the exchange, which is obviously quite expensive. So I only really use the app if I'm putting fresh money into crypto. If I've already got it in there, I'm going to use the exchange where I'm paying like a fraction of a percentage. So that being said, that leaves it for this video. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. If you don't have a crypto.com account and you want one, I will leave my link in the description. So if you do sign up for an account and use my code, you will get $25 in crow, and so will I, and I will very much appreciate it. If you don't use anyone's code, whether mine or your friend, you don't actually get the referral, so it's definitely worth using a referral code, even if it's not mine. Obviously I would prefer it if you did use mine. So we'll leave it there for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.